The idea is home automation technology is kind of reserved for the big boys in the industry. Like you'll see like the Wink Home Hub and sort of also every company has their own thing, like Belkin has Wemo. There's a million different corporate things. I think there should be an easy-to-use open source software platform for home automation, and that's my idea.
Overnight. Jake, where are you, Jake? Okay, not here. Well, you can look at the slide for a few seconds. Oh, man. For those who didn't know, we need a random person to give a pitch. All right. No, we don't need that. Yeah. All right. Find Jason here to do this project.
Hey guys, so we're probably another project that needs a new name, but after listening to some of the opening remarks, felt the scope of our first project wasn't really appropriate for RCOS. So we wanted to expand that a little bit. We know public speaking is a common fear for a lot of people, and we want to do some work to improve that. So we decided to come up with what's currently called Lapsus Linguae, but we might change that. I can't even pronounce it. But what really it's going to be, we want to work with the Google Speech API, so you could talk like into your computer or hopefully one of your smartphones, and it would help you identify when you're saying words like we time your speech. You want to see if there's a way you're going to analyze your speech to see if it's like if you're speaking fast or slow. And those sort of analytics give some feedback. And we're also working with Design for America to get into some speech therapists and things like that to get some actual user feedback. So if that's something to do, contact one of us. And yeah, thank you.
Hi, RCOS. I'm Alexei Klimchenko. I'm going to be working on Memory Mason. I don't know if you guys know what memory palaces are, but Memory Mason's going to train through exercises that are similar to those given at memory competitions. It's going to train you to develop and construct and remember memory palaces because people want to remember things. And they've been mentioned like shows like Sherlock. That helps.
Deciding to do a new Android app for like going to the gym because I'm sure some of you here probably go to the gym and like you probably want to keep track of your workouts and such. So we think that the current solutions aren't very good enough. Like for example, like if you want to run on a treadmill, you can keep track of the statistics, but then like if you want to like say record like the amount of weight you lifted, it might not work. So we're trying to do like what's an all-in-one app, and we're thinking Android because we want to try something new instead of doing like something computer-based again. If any of you guys have Android phone experience or any of that, you could contact me. Thank you.
That's the last actual slide. If any of these people are here and want to talk, or if any of these projects are like no projects and people switch over, some of us can keep that slide. Up to you. Yeah. Just get people interested.
Hi, so I didn't make a slide, but the project I want to make is to be able to make a Scratch-like program for Arduino. So a lot of the times when like teachers are teaching little kids like embedded hardware and stuff, it's really hard to like
get over the hurdle of actually learning C to be able to get like your LEDs to blink for like a card for your mom or like a Christmas tree light. So what my goal is to actually create a program that will embed the techniques of Scratch and be able to transfer that code into C code and then make it able to run on the Arduino. So to be able to help kids and help people learn programming for the Arduino much faster. Right now, we're probably going to be either using Google Blockly or actually make a Scratch add-on. I'm not quite sure yet. So come talk to me if you're interested. Thanks.
Anyone else? Right here.
My name is
Oh, Pat? Yeah. All right. What? Okay. All right. So if that's it, then we're good. And we're gonna move on. Wait. Yes. One more.
Patrick's done. You want to present? Yeah? Boom. Caught him. Okay, he's...
Alright, so my name is Patrick Tesselback, and I'm really bad, so I didn't make a slide. We're going to be making a tool that's going to take information from the EVE Online API and work through it and process it and parse it so that we can figure out information that's not really quite available for players right now. We're looking to find things like margins, how many people are actually taking in markets, and things like that, so that players of this game can make more informed decisions. There's a lot of very, very intense market stuff that goes on in this game, and so just looking to make something for that. Woo!
Hello, I'm Parker Cameron, junior here at RCOS, and the high-level image comparison library using OpenCV. Apologies for the lack of thought to the capital. But anyway, so what we're going to be doing is just developing a library using OpenCV, either in Java or C++, and we can correct the group about that. And we're just going to hopefully build up a larger library, higher level abstraction, hopefully be used in some of your future projects. Anyway, that's what we're going for, and just familiarize ourselves with computer vision technology. So that's about it. I guess you can talk to me later.
I didn't send a slide, but I'm doing a high-powered battery management system that's small. So it's all about the miniaturization of things. If you look at remote control electronics for high-powered cars, aircrafts and stuff, everything's gotten really small. But then you look at the things that control the batteries, and the batteries, if they're not controlled, can blow up. So all the battery management systems that exist are really large. They're like the size of your notebook or bigger. But the batteries are really small, kind of like the size of your phone. So it's all about trying to make a battery management system so it's hardware and software. Because you need to cater that battery management system for that battery. Yeah.
Yeah, so once again, if you don't have a project, by the end of the day, stay after it so that we can try to get that sorted out. Besides all of the pitches, we'll go through all the pitches and whatnot, but besides all of those, you can also contribute to large open source projects. So we can definitely find a project for the URP. So onto the URP, we're going to go over how to do the URP now with Professor Goldschmidt.